Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can draw neon line on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a story on Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to tap on story. And for instance, I'm going to pick a random photo from my gallery. I'm just going to choose this photo. I'm going to upload it to my story, and if we want to draw a neon line, we can go to this three dots menu and then select draw. Okay, and if you want to choose the neon line, you can click on this three dots and then select neon. Okay, and I'm going to choose the color. I'm going to select this purple. Okay, then we just need to draw on our story, just like that. And once you're done, you can click on done, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to draw neon line on an Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.